Hello. So we just pick up a door, special order for a customer in the Nitra. Now you're gonna find out when we are saying that a garage door can make up all the way to 30% of your curb appeal. Today I'm gonna show you what we mean about that. But I'm driving right there, and see you later. Thank you. It's time to update a house. And we're going to see when we are saying that more than 30% of the curb appeal of your house is your garage door. This is a perfect example of that. Let's start doing it.